Alright, so part 2 of the knife off, like we were just saying.
We're gonna try to finish these knives today.
Tonight.
Today.
It is approximately 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Michigan. So let's get it going.
Always cut it. I'd rather have the footage and be able to cut it than not have it. Alright, tell me when you're ready. Alright, so I pretty much have my tang all worked out. I just gotta work out the bevel, I think. I'm gonna elongate this blade a little bit. Cool, let's get to work. Lots of work to do.
So I had the advantage piece, so I had to cut the advantage off, and now I have to rework this out so we have a little more length for the handle. Oh shit, there might be a crack. Is it a crack?
Just film for me, Dan. Please don't be a crack. I know he means more light.
What's that, Joseph?
I think that's a crack. I'm gonna grind that out, and we'll be back.
To the grinder!
I can barely see it right there. Is it light enough here? Didn't have to thin it out too much. We're going back into the forge.
It's been a grueling night. Been having fun.
Trying to do this Instagram thing, Dan.
Yeah, he's trying to do this Instagram thing, so we're gonna hit for another couple hours, or maybe an hour since it is kind of late. He's teaching me a little bit.
All right, let me finish this fucking thing. Let me finish the post. We got Dan being so rude, fucking hitting while I'm trying to talk to the camera here.
I haven't done shit on the blade yet. Finally get to work on the fucking blade.
All right, here Dan is trying to put that back in the forge. Let's watch him struggle.
Some bullshit. That works. I'm happy.
Here we are at the forge. We have the blades in the fire. We're standing here waiting so that we can hit on them. I mean, hit them. We don't want to hit
My
on them.
face is very warm right now.
It's getting hot in here, Dan. You feel that? Come on, Dan. Get the camera. I'm trying to do a progress shot. Do progress. All right, this is what I got going on here. This is the blade's current state. I got to do some work up in here. I might just grind that out. Got some texturing going on here. And then I'm just going to keep this flat. I'm going to try to even out that blade shape right there. Handle length seems pretty good, the tang length. That's my current progress right there. Still hot.
Touch your face.
Fuck no, dude. Feels so nice. Ready, ready, ready.
Uh-oh. Heavy crack. So it's 11 o'clock now. We've been smithing for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
We thought we could get more done, at least I did. There was some setbacks.
We got some progress done though.
We got some progress.
I got some progress done.
We both had cracks in our blades, so we had to grind those out. So let's go take a look at the progress.
While you look at our knives, like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Ding! See where the crack was. Joe's has a nice depth in the blade. Rough around the edges, but hey.
It's only part 2.
Only part 2. Hopefully by part 3, we'll get everything done.
All forged out. And we can start grinding on the grinder.
Hopefully. And we'll see where part 4 and 5 gets us.
See a little bit.
Just a little bit. It's metal. It's malleable.
That's the conclusion for part 2 of our knife off series.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks. Well, that's the end of part 2 of our knife off series.
So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below who you think is ahead in the knife off or who you think is more handsome.
You really want to lose in 2 different categories?
We'll see how it goes. Hey, don't forget.
Keep going. That's the conclusion of part 2 of our knife off.
So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can comment who you think is ahead in the knife off, or you think who's more handsome. That doesn't make any sense.
Can't talk.
Can't talk.